Hello everyone. In this video, we help you decide which trading plan fits your needs. Whether you are just starting out or ready to trade professionally, Tradingview offers 5 plans: Free, Essential, Plus, Premium, and Ultimate. Let's go through what each plan includes and who each one is best for. Let's begin with the free plan. The free plan is great if you are new to charting. You can open charts, draw trend lines, and do basic analysis without any cost. However, you are limited to one indicator per chart, one saved layout, and only a few alerts. If you are learning patterns or checking prices sometimes, this plan is a good place to start. But most people will need more features once they do deeper analysis. Next is the Essential plan. Essential is the first paid plan and works well if you want to move up from free. You get up to 2 charts per tab, 5 indicators per chart, and 20 price alerts. You also get extra tools like volume profile and bar replay. If you do regular chart analysis and want more features than free, Essential is a good and affordable option. Now let's look at Plus. Plus gives you more room and flexibility. You can use several charts per tab, up to 10 indicators per chart, and set up to 100 alerts. You also get more saved layouts and better speed. This is useful if you are a swing trader or if you watch many setups at once. As we move up, we have Premium. Premium is for active traders. You can use up to 8 charts per tab, 25 indicators per chart, and 400 alerts. You also get deeper historical data and more ways to customize your workspace. If you trade many markets, use lots of indicators, and rely on alerts every day, Premium gives you what you need. Finally, there is Ultimate. Ultimate is the top plan. It gives you up to 16 charts per tab, 50 indicators per chart, and 1,000 price alerts. You also get the deepest historical data, fastest speed, and the most layouts. This plan is for professionals, analysts, or anyone managing many markets, timeframes, or portfolios at once. So, how do we choose? If you are just starting and learning, go free. If you want more analysis tools, go Essential. If you follow several setups and need more alerts, go Plus. If you are active with many indicators and trade multiple markets, go Premium. And if you need the most power for professional analysis, go Ultimate. One important tip: you do not need to start with the biggest plan. Try the free trial to see the features, then upgrade as you need more tools or chart space. To sum up, start with free or essential if you are a beginner. Move to Plus or Premium as your needs grow, and only choose Ultimate if you really need the most features. If this helped you decide, don't forget to like, subscribe for more simple TradingView guides.